Oh, hi! Are you looking for someone? Do you need help on anything? Hold on. I know why you're here. Are you looking for someone to help you in learning English? Well, that's what I'm here for. Anyway, I'm teacher Marva. I'm 28 years old. I love singing. You make me fight, you make me run, but say that you'll bring me along. Traveling. Food. Yup. I'm also a fur mom. Say hi, Teddy. And I also love meeting new people and learning about their culture. I'm from the Philippines, but I have 5 years of teaching experience in Arizona, United States. Prior to that, I also have 3 years of teaching experience here in the Philippines. What about you? I am looking forward to getting to know you and helping you in learning English. I know it's not easy, but I can guarantee you that you will enjoy it. You can send me a message to let me know what your goals are, and then you can book a trial lesson. See you again soon!